Hi guys, today's question is check if all ones are at least length k places away. Given an array nums of zeros and ones and an integer k, return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other, otherwise return false. So the array is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. So here we see that k is given 2 and we see that all the ones are at least 2 distance apart. We see that there are 2 zeros and here there are 3 zeros. So at least 2 distance apart, and so we return true here. In this case we see that the value of k is 2, but here there is only 1 distance between the two ones because we have only 1 0 here. So and in this case we are given k as 0, so there need not be any 0 between two consecutive ones, and so here we return a true. So we should start coding because it's a quite simple question. What I'll maintain is previous position of 0. I'll take it to be initially -1. Previous position of a 1, sorry. I'll take it to be -1. Then I'll start iterating. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size, I plus plus. And then if I encounter nums of I equal to 1 and previous position of 1 is equal to -1, that is that we are encountering the 1 for the first time. In this case we'll just update the previous position of 1 as I. Else if nums of I equal to 1. In this case we would not have previous position of 1 as -1, that is we are encountering the 1 for the second time. In that case we'll have to calculate the distance between the present 1 and the previous one that we encountered. So int position is equal to like you can see let me tell you that here the value is 0. Indexing, I am doing the indexing 3 and 4. So if we just subtract the indices, then there is the value comes out to be 4, but the number of zeros are 3, so we have to do the I minus previous position of 1, previous one, minus a 1, because we have to count the number of zeros that occur between any consecutive ones. And here also we see that the index is 5, 6 and 7. So 7 minus 4 minus 1 has been done because there are only 2 zeros. And if we just simply do 7 minus 4, then this value comes out to be 3, which is not correct. So because there are only 2 zeros, so it has to be 7 minus 4 minus 1. So I minus previous index of 1 minus 1. This is what is required to calculate the actual number of zeros. So this position will be I minus previous position of I minus 1, and if this position is greater than equal to the value of k, if this value is less than k, so in that case we return true. In that case we return false. Sorry for the and else we'll do nothing, we'll just simply iterate, and in the case when we complete the iteration we return a true in that case. And I hope you guys have understood it. Let me run it. So this case runs fine. Let me remove 1 0 from here. It should return a false. It's returning a true. Let me check. Oh, I haven't updated the previous position of 1, so it will be I here, and then I'll run it. Because whenever you encounter a 1, you have to update the previous position of 1, and then I'll submit it. So as we can see, we have got a correct answer, and since we have iterated through the array just once, so the time complexity is order of n. Okay, bye bye.